Now, terror in midair, a plane's engine coming apart just moments after taking off. Passengers terrified as they witnessed the fiery pieces of the engine. People on the ground watched as the debris began to rain down. ABC's Will Carr with the story.
Terror in the skies over Denver this morning.
Mayday, Mayday, United 28.
United Airlines Flight 328 bound for Hawaii bursting into flames at 15,000 feet. Massive pieces of the metal falling into the neighborhoods below. The pilot forced to make an emergency landing, sending a mayday just minutes after takeoff.
United 328 heavy Mayday, Mayday aircraft just experienced a engine failure, needed to turn immediately.
When I looked out the window, the engine was shaking really bad, and all of a sudden there was just a big boom, and the ring around the engine flew off.
Passengers on board rocked by what seemed to be an explosion from the right side of the aircraft.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened.
Onlookers watched in horror as plumes of smoke trailed the Boeing 777. Huge pieces of metal seemed falling from the sky.
I couldn't believe what I was seeing. It was pretty scary.
But incredibly, no one on the ground or the plane was hurt.
We kind of looked out the front window, and this great big piece just rolled right past the front window and laid up against the tree.
Pieces of metal landing just feet from this house.
I didn't know that the plane was going to make it. I thought the plane would actually crash.
Another house struck by falling debris crashing through the ceiling of this Colorado home, while pieces of the engine scattered throughout the streets in this soccer field.
When the debris comes out of the engine, that hot metal falls on the ground, can be very dangerous. Very, very fortunate that no one was hurt.
Now investigators are trying to determine how and why this happened.
These catastrophic uncontained failures are very rare, but in this case very dangerous because it came right at that critical moment of takeoff when the aircraft was fighting to get into the air. The crew did an awesome job to get that airplane safely onto the ground.
That's pretty good. Not with that one there then.
Será que vocês vão usar o